How to check Google login history on Google account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can check login history on Google account. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. So let's get started. First of all, you can open up a Google Chrome or a Gmail, whichever you're logged into your account. Then after you're there, tap on the three dots on the bottom right and then tap on settings. There you should find your profile. You can see your name and your Gmail on the top. Tap on that. After you're on your account section, scroll down until you find manage your Google account option. Tap on that. After you're on manage your Google account section, you can find security right here. Head over to the security tab. And after you're on the tab, you can see a different option, that is recent security activities. Tap on that, and from here you should find all of the login history on Google accounts. And that's how you do it. That's how you check your login history on your Google account. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.